Hitler found the darkest button in human history, and there's probability you would have pressed it too. And Milgram proved it. So the question arises, are ordinary people capable of doing horrible things? And the answer lies in this experiment. This is one of the most controversial and horrifying study done in the history. In this, there was teacher, students, and authority. The authority and students were the actors, whereas teacher were the test subject. And in this, the teachers were given a series of questions they have to ask to the students, and with every wrong answer, they have to shock the students. And with every wrong answer, the level of shock increases, and it reaches up to 450 watt. And in the room, the students will act like they have been shocked and start crying and begging for the mercy. But the result was quite horrifying, because the teachers did not stop, because they have given the instructions by the authority. And there are four instructions which were given. The one is please continue, and the second is the experiment requires you to continue, and the third is it's absolutely essential that you continue, and the fourth is you have no other choice, you must go on. So the experiment only stops if all the four prompts given by the authority exhaust, or the shock level reaches to 450 volt. And the results were quite shocking, because 65% of the people or the teacher followed the authority or obeyed the authority's instruction. And it is more shocking that 100% of them has reached the level of 300 volt. And also, this makes me realize that we are merely the puppet of the society and the societal norms. Because if some instructions were given in the authoritative form, we are wired to follow it. So next time, before pressing the button, please think twice and ask yourself: do you really want to do it, or you are doing it because someone told you to do so?